Just finished walking through a home that is our listing, and we are actually going to be closing tomorrow. And the buyers are excited, of course, because this is actually their first time buying a home. And our client, the seller, is equally excited because she has been looking forward to this day. And one of the things I want to point out today is that sometimes when you're about to sell a home, you think you have to do everything for it to be sold. You have to upgrade everything, and sometimes that's not necessary. You can get maximum price on a property if you just do a few things. And in this case, some of the tiniest things that I advised the seller to do was just change the light bulbs from those yellow lights into those nice white bright LED lights that really made a huge difference. In fact, after she changed all the light bulbs, she said she thought she was in a totally different house. She couldn't believe she was living with those lights all along. And that made such a huge difference, so that when we did the open house, we actually had multiple offers and the house was gone within a day. That's what you need. A realtor who can guide you so you don't have to spend tons of money, but you can actually get the maximum amount of money in the least amount of time. And that's what we're doing. And my client is so happy, and the buyers are equally ecstatic, and we're just going to close tomorrow, and everybody, it's a win-win situation for everybody. That's what we do, and there are agents out there that do it, and we happen to be one of them with our team. And we wear the hat to bring you the facts. If you ever have any questions about what to do to get your house ready to put it on the market, to get the maximum amount of money in the least amount of time, we can help you with that. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.